moral and spiritual guidance of His Holiness the Dalai Lama has played in shaping both of you and your relationship. Getting married in this way in front of all these people is a huge step in a person's life, and it's full of joys and it's full of challenges. And everyone here, I speak for everyone here in this room when I say we're so excited to share so many of those joys with the both of you. But I also want to point out that everyone here is here to offer their love and support in the face of any challenges that can come your way. We all love you both very, very much.
Cześć samolo, terenie ajada Dawa changsala pewa kadinche.
난고 바고소 유자 신조 센데만 보고 내자 남자가 모르고 호야 세냐 가도 내게라 오나라는
First of all, Dele, and thank you all so much for joining us on this very, very special occasion of my sister and Dawa's union. Today is a very special day for me because Aja, you're my soul sister, my best friend, role model, and my lifelong teacher. Although you can be impatient, but you're one of the best ones out there. Aja, since your teenage years, along with my parents and Aja Chugi, you've done an incredible job of essentially raising me and my brothers while trying to navigate your own life. You're one of the most selfless and caring person I know. Although you know how to have fun, I wish you would pamper yourself a little more often because you truly deserve the best of everything life has to offer.
초소 대규 차대로 세자야
to be what you are today. I'm glad that you have done so much for our family. You took responsibilities and you are a really hard worker. I've always looked up to you, no matter what. You met someone who challenged you and brought out the best in you. My brother really must have done something right to meet this beautiful person. Loving, caring, and also beautiful soul. Today is a special day, not only for you two, but to our entire family. I love you so much, guys.
내가 미망고 슐레셔 참말라 인터번에 투지 채널 시기. My parents have done everything in their capacity to bring the 7 of us here in this country. Palamla manzu putu arila se pekhapo yore ine ngazu sama des lobjong teni ning thamani thuji chele. I want to thank my parents for accepting Dawa as one of their, I would say, the 8th child, because they had 7 kids. And I also want to thank all my siblings. My siblings are my life. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you everyone for being here.